Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Evergreen Art and Crafts. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make this beaded lace. It's really easy to make. I have made a Urdu version of this and I got a request from a darling lady who told me to make a video in English version as well, or add a subtitle. But I am making in the English version right now, and let's get started. For this one, I have used a size 1.1 mm, and you will need some pearls or any beads you like, but make sure that your hook should fixed into this pearls or beads, whatever you are taking. Okay, and you will need some yarn. You can make it with the thread as well, a cotton thread, or if you wanted to, you can make it in the wool as well. So let's get started. If you don't know any of the basic crochet stitches, kindly learn first the basic stitches, please. First, we are going to make a slip knot, and after making a slip knot, we will do chain 2, 1 and 2. After making 2 chains, grab this second chain from your left hand and draw up a loop like that. Take your pearl or bead, insert your hook in, and then through the loop you have to pull this. Okay, such an embarrassment right now. I don't know why this guy is not coming up. Sorry, not coming up. What am I up to? It's such an embarrassment that someone is teaching you cannot pull a bead out properly. Alright, so the bead is out, and then you have to yarn over your hook and pull through the bead, through this. Okay, and now another pearl. And then you have to pull it through the bead, and then do a yarn over and pull through. And now the last bead, which is the third bead, and pull through. You have 3 beads just like that. Now one more time, yarn over and pull through. Now you have to do is chain 8. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. After making 8 chains, you're going to wrap on your yarn 1, 2, and 3. After 1, 2, and 3, you're going to do is insert your hook into your very first chain here. Ow, 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 ow. And then you're going yarn over, pull through that loop. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through last time. And this is how your work's going to look like right now. Now we have to chain 1, and you have to turn your work to the other side, because now we will work into this section of the chain. Now to do this, we will have to, sorry about my camera. Okay, we have to do 2 single in here, 1 and 2. Then you have to do 1 half double, 1 half double crochet, and now into this we have to do 6 double crochet. So we will do 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After making 6 double crochets, we have to do is 1 half double crochet again into the same space. Work 1 half double crochet, and work 2 singles in here, 1 and 2, just like that. So this is how your work looks like right now. And now again we are going to bead the pearls in. So pull the loop up, get your pearl, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through, pull up a loop, take your next bead, then take your yarn, pull through, pull up a loop, take your bead, and then pull it through. Now chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And after making 8 chains, we are going to do 1 single crochet right here to your very first chain where we did this stitch. So insert your hook in and do a regular single crochet and chain 1 and turn your work. And now we will work again into this side, 2 singles, 1 half double, 6 double crochet, then again 1 half and 2 singles. So I'm going to complete this and meet you guys in a moment. Alright, so I'm done with my filling, which was 2 single, 1 half double, 6 double, 1 half double, and 2 singles. And now again we are going to put the pearls in. So pull up a loop, and then I'm going to put the 3 more pearls. This is really easy to make, and it's really amazing. It's look really pretty. I wonder if I can make a bracelet of this. You can also make a bracelet out of this. Don't you think so? It will look really amazing. Or you can make a jumbo size, take a jumbo size beads along with the t-shirt yarn and make a bracelet. It will look really nice. Okay, chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now from here onwards you will understand how we are actually joining these. Now we have to join this part to this here, not this one, okay? This is how your work's going to look. Don't join with here, join your work to your very first single crochet, insert your hook in, and do a slip stitch. Chain 1, and we will turn the work and start filling in the center. And from now, this is how you're going to continue working on this. So 2 singles, 1 half double, oops, 6 double crochet, 3. I'm gonna complete this and meet you guys in a second. So I have completed my filling in, and again I'm gonna show you one more time that what you're going to do. So pull up a loop, take your bead, insert your hook into the bead, and take your yarn, pull through, pull up a loop, take your next bead, pull your yarn, pull through, and your last bead, take your yarn, insert your through the bead and pull through. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then again you are going to join this right here, not here. This is not the place to join, this is the one. So insert your hook to the very first single crochet, yarn over, and do a slip stitch. Chain 1 and turn and start filling in again. 2 single, 6 double, 2 single, 1 half double, 6 single, 1 half double, and 2 single. Okay, I'm going to fill this and I'm going to teach you how we will fasten this off as well. Okay, so I have completed this here, and now if you wanted to finish your work from here, what you're going to do, you're just going to, after making your last single, you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to wrap 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 times you have to wrap on your hook, then into your very last single crochet, pull through, and then pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, through 2, and the last 2. And this is how you're going to finish this, and this is how you have started this. And then we're going to chain 1 and we will cut the yarn. So I hope I have explained this to you well, and I hope you have understand this. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment on the comment down below. Thank you so much for your precious time, lovely ladies. Take care. Bye.